Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to pixelate an image in Snapseed. If you're new to Snapseed and you don't know how to pixelate an image, I'm going to show you an easy hack to do it. So without any further ado, let's get into it. And first, open the Snapseed app and now click on the plus icon to choose the photo that you want to edit. Now, to pixelate the image, simply click on Tools at the bottom menu and select the lens blur option here. Now decrease it all the way down and take it where it cannot be seen, and also adjust the blur strength according to your preference to make it look like pixelated, and similarly increase the vignette option and click here to save changes. Now to further enhance it, simply click on Tools and select Grainy Films and increase or decrease the grain according to your preference and click here to save changes. And just like that, we can pixelate an image in Snapseed. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.